This mock-up is a joint venture of Teknion Canada, the corporate, and Teknion Israel. It implements two major things. First, the specifications of Intel for this mock-up, and then all the specs that we know, all the requirements that we know that Intel needs in ergonomic and quality, etc., that we know that Intel asks for all over the years that we work with Intel together. So it's all in this mock-up, and it's a joint venture. Specifically, this mock-up was produced, most of it was produced in Canada, but the moment we will implement the project, it will all be produced in Teknion facility here in Israel, in Carmiel. The plan of this mock-up is modular. That's why you can see that each working station has its own cadenza, its own screens, and you can put either 2 or 4 or 6 or 8 or whatever numbers, no combined cadenzas. It gives a flexibility for the project and for future changes if Intel will require them. Okay? This is a general say that about the mock-up. Now let's go into the details. The size of each working station is 180 over 80. The height adjustable mechanism is a LINAC mechanism. The LINAC mechanism is a very sophisticated one. It is also related to the Wellnomics software that Intel is aware of that can control the height adjustability of each employee. It has four preset heights, and it can bear 90 kilos, okay? So this is what we offer here. We present here two trims to the surfaces. One is the traditional one of Intel, which is round and 6 millimeter width, and is more ergonomic for the user. The other trim is full knife, what we call full knife, more thin, more designed, a bit less ergonomic. It's for Intel choice. We show here a few configurations of cadenzas. One is with drawers and open area for the computer. The other is drawers with a large drawer for a private bag or whatever. As you can see, the legs of the height adjustable mechanism is installed within the cadenza, so you cannot see it, so it's more elegant and looks much nicer. Let's speak about the screens. Okay, what we offer here is a variety of screens for Intel to choose. As you can see, towards the corridor, there is a 150 screen that is a combination of melamine and glass, tempered glass in this case, that you can see here to the corridor. Then we show two different fabric screens, tackable. One with an accessory rail and the other without. It's for Intel's choice. Each one is a round shape for the design and also for the ergonomic element. Okay, the other one that we show here is a sliding screen. You can see here that confronts the window side, and it's up to the user whether to leave it closed or open, up to him. The cushions, we show here two kinds of cushions on the cadenza. One is rectangular, one is round, and of course it's up to Intel to decide which one. We implemented Intel requirement that all the sockets will be connected to the top, and nothing will be connected to the beam, so there is no way of wires detached because of misuse of the table. So all the cables will be preset within the cable chain, okay, under the table. There are a few options of using the sockets. One is with a flip door. The cables can enter the whole bench system either from the side, from the floor, or from each cadenza in between, and then there is a free running of the cables all along the benching with no interruption. Everything is concealed, you don't see it, and you have no accessibility to it. This was very important for us because we know how important it is for Intel. Okay, we show here two monitor arms, both are Teknion mask. One is manual adjusted, and the other one is adjusted by the weight of the screen, by a gas lift here, and then you can put it at every position and it stays there. The locker's configuration was designed by Intel, so we followed the orders. We show here a few colors, but of course all the colors here and in the lockers are open for the architects to choose. We show a few ways of locking the lockers, electronic, and everything is, of course, can be adapted in the future, whatever solution Intel desires. We recommend that Intel uses an acoustic panel to cover the back of the lockers. It will give Intel the field, the acoustic field that they had with the partition, at least to try to, because this is a very open area and Intel is not used to it so much. They're used to panels. So this has a very high NRC, 80 NRC, so it can work very well if it's implemented on every locker back. We are showing the Sabrina chair, which was already approved by Intel, both in the design side and the ergonomic, and now it's what we sell all over, I think, in Israel and outside. We are Intel's supplier for the last 20 years in Israel. We serve them faithfully, and we truly hope to continue these relations for the next 20 years, including these projects. Thank you.